How to recover Instagram account without email, password, and number. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Recovering an Instagram account without access to your email, phone number, or password can be challenging, but it is possible. And here's how you can try to regain access to your account. So first of all, you can go ahead and click on Forgot Password option and then enter your username or your Instagram profile URL. If you lack access to your email or phone number, click on Need More Help, or you can go ahead and click on Can't Reset Your Password. You will be taken to this kind of interface. From here, click on Recover Your Instagram Password, click on Something Else, and then click on Next. Now here in this box, indicate that you can't access your email or phone number. Instagram may request additional information such as a selfie video for identity verification, details about your account like the device you used, your location, or linked accounts. Wait for Instagram to review your case and respond through email. If you have linked your Instagram account to Facebook or any other social media account, try logging in using those credentials. You can select Login with Facebook or a similar option. And if possible, try to recover the email address or phone number associated with your account. For email, you can use the Forgot Password option with your email service. And for phone, you can contact your mobile carrier to retrieve your number or access SMS. You can also go to Instagram Help Center, and then fill in all required details honestly and accurately. Instagram may take a few days to review your request and reach out to you. So linking your account to a valid email address and phone number and Facebook account is important. Use a password manager to keep track of your passwords, and you can also enable two-factor authentication for added security. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.